Okay, here we go. This is the tiger. Grabbing the claws, bringing it down, and then you got the deer with the antlers spread out with the hands going back and forth. And then we go up to the monkey, going across with your head, and then rubbing the belly like the bear. And then we finish it off with the crane, lifting the legs and the arms coming up on both sides with the right and left leg. And we come back to center. Okay, side view. Again, starting out with the tiger and then the deer. Then coming up with the monkey. And then rubbing the belly with the bear. And then the crane coming up, and each movement nice and soft and flowing, easy breathing as you do it. And then finishing off